Here's a quick video on how to use the scan flip, create a new haul. Go to scan, capture, get a price comp that's going to go across all 4 markets: eBay, Poshmark, Macari, Depop. Wait for the analytics to provide the information to give you a buy or pass. Get your buy recommendation, accept and save. Once you're back home from a sourcing run, grab your haul and pull out the first item. Open FlipOps on your phone and navigate to the scan screen. When you're ready, tap the scan button and capture 2 photos of the item. The app automatically removes the background for you, so there's no need to set up a light box or worry about a clean backdrop. Once both photos are captured, the system kicks off processing right away. FlipOps analyzes the item using AI vision, identifies what it is, pulls relevant comps, and starts building out your listing data, all from those 2 quick photos. No typing, no searching, no manual lookups. You scan it, and FlipOps handles the rest. Once your photos are processed, take a moment to review and clean them up, crop if needed, make sure the item looks sharp and eBay ready. When you're satisfied with the images, tap Optimize Listing to run the SEO engine. This is where FlipOps really goes to work for you. The AI generates your full listing copy, title, item specifics, description, all written with eBay's search algorithm in mind, so your item actually gets seen by buyers. No staring at a blank text box trying to figure out what keywords to use or how to describe the item. It's all done for you. From there, rerun comps to double-check your pricing against what's currently selling on the market. FlipOps pulls real sold data, so you're not guessing or just matching whatever the lowest price happens to be. You're pricing based on what buyers are actually paying right now, which means you're not leaving money on the table and you're not sitting on overpriced inventory that never moves.